Choose a power source. Select the energy source you want to use to rotate the generator, such as a gasoline engine, steam engine, wind turbine, or water turbine. The choice will depend on your available resources and the intended application of the generator. Select the rotor and stator. The rotor is the moving part of the generator, while the stator is the stationary part. The rotor usually consists of a coil of wire wound around the core, while the stator has multiple coils of wire arranged in a specific pattern. Wind the coils, wind the wire around the rotor and stator cores to create the electromagnetic field necessary for generating electricity. The number of turns and the gauge of the wire will depend on the desired voltage and power output of the generator. Install magnets. Optional, if you are building a permanent magnet generator, attach strong magnets to the rotor to enhance the magnetic field and increase the generator's efficiency. Connect the coils. Connect the coils of the rotor and stator in a specific configuration to produce the desired output voltage and current. This configuration depends on whether you are building an AC or DC generator. Build a housing. Construct a protective housing for the generator using materials such as metal or plastic. The housing should enclose and protect the internal components while providing access for maintenance and ventilation. Install bearings. Mount bearings on the rotor shaft to reduce friction and allow smooth rotation of the rotor. Connect output terminals. Attach output terminals to the stator coils to provide access for connecting external loads to the generator. Test and troubleshoot. Once the generator is assembled, test it by rotating the rotor using the chosen power source. Use appropriate measuring instruments to verify the voltage and current output. If any issues arise, troubleshoot the problem by checking connections, coil windings, and other components. It's important to note that building a generator from scratch is a complex task that requires specialized knowledge and skills. It is recommended to seek guidance from experts or consult detailed guides and resources specific to the type of generator you intend to build.